Bought one of these. I guess gas goes in here, water in, and like this is in and this is out, or maybe vice versa. Who knows? It's all in Chinese to me. I guess this is a decent energy efficiency rating. Kind of humored by the quality of this, made in a garage water heater, tankless. You know, so I took these little screws out. Most of them were stripped, but they couldn't even come out. I guess this is like some kind of burner cavity fine tuning, sharper than all hell. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What a piece of garbage. This tube is not going to last very long. None of this is. I think this is all aluminum. It's like really low quality. I'd be surprised if it doesn't come with holes straight from the manufacturer. Should have turned the light on. There it is. That's a crappy heat exchanger. Holy cow. Not impressed. Mission control of some sort. Does that put a UL on it? No. Made in China quality control. Yeah, well, we'll test this thing out and see how it goes. As soon as I figure out if these are even NPT. Doubt it. I don't think these are. We'll see. Came with a really crappy shower head, vinyl tube. It was so cheap that if you leave it at a campsite, someone might not even steal it.